I am Sherry, and I've had both of my knees done by Dr. Rickert. I actually do all my care in Norfolk with Faith Regional, and so I go to see Dr. Norris, who's the breast care doctor there, and she referred me to Dr. Rickert. I've been having trouble for 20 years or more. All my jobs have been standing, walking, moving. It was just getting worse and worse, so I decided that it was time just to get them done. And Dr. Rickert came in and spent time and actually sat down and discussed what the procedure was, went through the x-ray. He's very personable, very nice, easy to talk to. I really do. I like him a lot. My left knee is feeling better and better. It's still a little stiff, but it's getting, it's better than what it was. I don't have the pain, which is great, because walking every day all the time hurt. And then my right knee right now is it'll be like 8 weeks out next Tuesday, so it's still swelled, and it's still uncomfortable at night to try to sleep and stuff, but I'm still happy I did it. It's not a pain anymore, it's more like an ache and everything, and so I still do the things that I need to do and be active and stuff like that. I may do it slower, or I may stop in ice or heat or something, but I'm still very, very happy that I had them both done. I've always gone through the doctors at Faith Regional, and I've always been impressed. I've never had a bad moment or a bad time. They've always been great, and even the nurses at the hospital when I had the surgery and stuff, they were all very kind, very, very nice. But yeah, I'm pleased. That's why I go there. I will travel to Norfolk just to have that.